in this video we're going to be reviewing AMZ Image. This is currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you click on the link below, it's an affiliate link, you'll be able to pick this up for just $49. Now, AMZ Image is a WordPress plugin, and what it allows you to do is quickly import any images for a product straight into your blog post. So instead of just using SiteStripe and using the one image that they allow you to bring in, you can choose any image from the product, as in this example here on the screen, that you can bring that straight into your blog post, and it's normal WordPress plugin. So in any blog post you can just add the image that you want to add. Now there is a prerequisite. You have to have an Amazon API integration. So you have to have an Amazon. So you have to have made some sales in Amazon to get your own API key for the various countries. So let me go through. It's not a very technical product per se, but you need WordPress, obviously. You need Amazon and you need an API, and that's about it. So what I like is that normally you can only bring in one image, and that's the main image. You can't bring in the inside images. But if you're doing a review of a product, you want to bring some different images in just to show off the product and get some affiliate sales. And with this plugin, all the images are already pre-encoded with your affiliate URL. You add the your tags into the backend API. I'll show you on one of my sites in a second. So in this deal, you get a full lifetime access to AMZ Image. You must redeem in 60 days, and all future updates GDPR compliant. So you have to have an active Amazon Associates account. You can quickly insert images. Maximum flexibility, which is what I love about this. You can search for everything within the plugin itself. So you can put in the async code, you can put in a search string, and you can choose the department and the country and so on, all within the plugin, all within the interface as you're inserting the image. And the bonus is you can use it on unlimited websites. So I'm using it on a couple, and that's nice to have. You can also earn commission from international traffic, so you add your international tags as well, and so on. So there's a couple of reviews here. I don't think I've left a review yet. I actually purchased this about 2 years ago when it was first released as a standalone plugin. I think now it's been bought by another company, which is good because they've added some updates to it. That's why I'm happy to review this now, because I've tested it. I know it's working fine, so that's why I'm happy to review it. Okay, so let's see some of these questions. So yeah, you can turn on geo-targeting once the user clicks an image. Yeah, that's already answered. Unlimited sites. It's shocking because a lot of plugins nowadays try and limit how many sites you can use. So someone like me, I've got in excess of 100 sites. They're not all active, but I like to use plugins on multiple sites. I'm always end up having to pay more to use on as many sites I want. Okay, so that's not possible due to Amazon's terms and conditions. Okay, so on. Okay, so let's get into the actual plugin itself. There's nothing more for me to cover because it's a very basic, easy to use plugin. So I'll show you their pictures actually. So this is the backend of Amazon Images inside your WordPress. You enter the license key for the plugin and the license secret key. You then add your Amazon API access key and your secret key and your associated tags, so all the tags for all the countries. Can I zoom into this? Oh, I can't. I don't want to show you mine, so now I need to blur half of it. But you can choose to no follow links, and you can choose to use geolocation. And you add all your country tags and so on in there. So I'll show you the search on my site. But so you enter your keyword to search. You choose your locale. You can search by ASIN if you want, and you can use the whole site or just choose a category, one of the nodes, and it shows you. So if you find the product, shows the image and so on. Okay, so let me show you on my site. So this is my fruit juice machine site. So let's say, for example, this is a new post I made with Jarvis. Here you see on the top right corner it says add Amazon Images. So I've already set it up in the back end. So now let me search for keyword. Let's say fruit juicer. I can put an ASIN code if I want. I want to choose the US. You can have Canada, Germany, UK, Italy, Spain, France, India, and Australia. And the search index, so you can choose the nodes, so appliances, art and craft, so on. I'll leave it for all, just to search. So it's using the API to bring up these products. So there's quite a few here. Let's just go for the first one. So now I can choose the image that I want. So I can have the main image. That's all you get with SiteStripe. Or I can choose the picture of this woman drinking. Another image. This one with a cup of juice. I can do one with a person actually using the machine. One of the with the apple going in, and one with look at the images the features. Let's just say I want this one. So I can choose small, medium or large. Also you can see it's got the prices, so if you want to target higher price items you can choose a different ones. This one's 69, 24, this is 200, I could use this one. But anyway, okay, so that's that. Okay, that's fine. I'll do insert into post. I want a large image and I put it right there. So there we go. So now I've got a large image and it's linked to the product, and it's got my my affiliate tag in there, Amazon.com. And yes, basically it's as simple as that. And with this, you can, what I like is that you can choose the image, because with SiteStripe, as you probably know, you can only get the first image. But with this one, you can choose the image that you really want to put in there. And that does help with conversions, because you're showing off more features of the product. And it's a bit different to other sites. Now if I update, okay, so that's the image right there. So if I click on it, let me see if it shows my address. 1 second. Okay, it shows my address, I won't click on it, but if you click on it, it will take you straight to Amazon, it will take you to the product page. So you can see the URL bar at the bottom. It's got the ASIN and it's got my tag on the end. So that's excellent. And the good thing is, if you're going to sell your site in the future, it doesn't use the shorten code. So if you're selling the site in the future, you can use a search replace plugin and just replace your tag in there. So that's very useful. So that was a relatively quick review of this product. If you're into Amazon affiliates marketing, this is a no-brainer, honestly, because it's only $49, unlimited license, and they're always keeping up with updates. So I think it's a really good purchase, and every blog post can do with more images. And if you can bring in Amazon images, and they've really got your URL encoded in them, and you're using API, so it's completely legit with Amazon in terms of service, then you know it's a really good feature, really good option. And as with AppSumo, you can try it for 60 days. If you're not happy, you can refund it. But this is not one that's worth refunding. This is a really good, useful plugin, and I highly recommend it. I mean, you can read some of the reviews if you want, but I don't think you'll get any 3s, 2-star. Let me see, all 5 stars so far. So I know you can't always trust reviews, but I think I might even leave a review because it's so good. Yep, they're all 5 stars so far. I've not done any filtering. Can I filter by review score? Let me see. Come on. Oh my goodness, taking long. Okay, we've got 3-star. Okay, that's a AppSumo issue. Definitely without its major drawbacks. I use AAWP, and I have done for a while. And I use another one called Affiliate Table, I think. Let me see. They say it doesn't work with Gutenberg, and I've just shown that it works. So when was this? January. Well, I've just shown it works with Gutenberg. They're supposed to say that they can't align it properly. Now what you can do with Gutenberg is you can add a row. Oops. So you can add a I've forgotten how you do it. I think it might be part of Cadence. You can add organize the rows. So I can add 25% blank blocks either side and put the AMZ images in the middle. So you can align it that way if you want to. There's always workarounds if you want, but I don't have any issue with this. Let's see what other negatives. I looked at updates plugins about a year ago. That's fine. I mean, what other updates do you want? I mean, people do sometimes get obsessed with the updates, but this has definitely been upgraded from the 2 years ago when I first purchased it. There are quite a few new features, and yeah, so like I said, someone else has taken over the plugin and it's working well, so people get obsessed with updates. Okay, I can't say anything about the license issue. Maybe they did it manually, I don't know. Okay. Apart from those two, the rest were all 5-star, and if I was reviewing it, I'd give it 5-star, 100%, because it solves a problem and it's a really cheap price for unlimited licenses. And the issues that they raise, they easily overcome by adding a row editor, or row block, a row and some blocks around it, and put the image in the middle or on the right, and so on. So I think people need to be realistic. You're paying $49 for unlimited license, and you're solving a big issue of bringing in AMZ Images. So anyway, that's my review. I'll leave it there. I think it's a really good product. And yeah, with AppSumo, you can do a refund if you're not happy, but I don't think this is worth a refund. So I highly recommend it. Click on the link below, and thanks for watching.